Tomatoes are a great tonic. They are good for diabetes and prevent aging. Hello, nice to see you again on Clever Tricks. Today, I will be making tomato juice, the kind that helps treat cancer, constipation, and diabetes. This is the juice that even doctors secretly drink to stay healthy, right? Lately, I also often buy tomatoes to drink, so let's start making tomato juice with a happy mood. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Method 1. I prepared 5 tomatoes, washed. The stems of the tomatoes need to be removed. A paring knife will do. Rotate the knife around to remove the stem easily. If you only remove the green part, it will be a bit hard, so remove it completely like this. Use ripe red tomatoes. Ripe tomatoes will help the body absorb better, according to research. When cutting tomatoes, cut them deeper than half. Cut them in a cross shape so they steam faster. After scoring, turn on the steamer. When the steam rises, close the lid and steam for exactly 5 minutes on medium heat. Steaming tomatoes instead of eating them raw will help the body absorb them better and double the nutrition. 5 minutes done, turn off steam. Tomatoes are soft. Cut in half to cool quickly. I just ate this tomato recently, so after cutting it, let it cool for 15 minutes. Never discard the skin as it contains 5 times more lycopene than the flesh, so it should be blended with the skin. Put the tomatoes in the blender. Grind tomatoes. Then add a little salt to make it easier to drink, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil for better absorption. Absolutely no water added. Close the blender lid. And blend for 1 minute 10 seconds. Open the lid. The tomatoes are completely pureed. Try it now. The taste is smooth and delicious. Pour into a glass jar and cover. The vase looks very nice. This is the tomato juice that even doctors secretly drink. There is a saying, health should be protected while it is still healthy. When you see tomatoes at the market, buy them immediately. If you want to keep it longer, put it in the refrigerator. Drinking tomato juice is better than medicine to stay healthy and not get sick. Enjoy and have a good appetite. Method 2. First, wash the tomatoes. Wash the tomatoes directly under the tap. Clean the core of the tomatoes and cut them into slices. Write to me in the comments which country you are watching me from. It's great to know that we are watching together around the world. Slice the tomatoes. Put the tomatoes in a large bowl. Cut an onion. Put it on a plate. Chop 4 cloves of garlic. Put it in a small bowl. Chop the parsley. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Put it on a plate. Need to add bay leaves and peppercorns, so I have enough ingredients. I use clean, dry glass jars for the next step. Put a bay leaf in each jar. Add a few peppercorns. Put the garlic in. Put the onions in. Add the parsley. Add the tomatoes. Now I add the onions, parsley. Add the tomatoes again. Add the onions. And finally, I add the pepper. I add half a teaspoon of salt to each jar. Add a tablespoon of 5% vinegar to each jar. Botulism bacteria does not grow in an acidic environment. Fill the jars with water. Wipe the mouths of the jars clean. Cover the jars with clean lids. Need a deeper pot? Put a towel at the bottom of the pot and arrange the jars inside. Fill the pot with water up to the mouth of the jar. Put the pot on the stove. Cover it, and from the time the water boils, I will sterilize for 35 minutes. We do the sterilization at 80 degrees Celsius. After 35 minutes, I remove the pot from the stove. When the jars have cooled, the middle of the lid should be concave. Store the jars in a dark place until use. Method 3. Salt in a jar. Prepare 2 kilograms of tomatoes. Put the tomatoes in a basin of water and wash them. Take them out. Use a paper towel to dry each tomato. Note: the drier the tomatoes, the less likely they are to spoil during storage. Prepare a clean, dry glass jar. Arrange a layer of tomatoes. Then sprinkle a thin layer of salt evenly over the surface. Continue to alternately arrange the tomatoes and salt until the jar is full. Tip: do not stack too tightly. Let the tomatoes breathe and the salt can be absorbed evenly. Cover the jar tightly. Store in a cool, dry place, away from direct sunlight. When you want to eat, rinse the salt and cook it directly. You can add a few slices of garlic or bay leaves to enhance the flavor. Method 4. Store in a glass jar. If you have your own garden or can buy tomatoes from a farmer, here's a recipe that will save you from having to buy greenhouse tomatoes that ripen without sunlight. Put the tomatoes in the jar. Write me in the comments, what country are you watching me from? What city? It's nice to know that we are watching the world together. Arrange tomatoes like me. Dear friends, are you able to buy sun-ripened tomatoes? In the garden? 3 cloves garlic. One clove per jar. Add a minced garlic clove to the jar. Pepper. I'm making tomato sauce. I need 1 liter of water. 6 tablespoons sugar. 1 tablespoon salt. 100 milliliters 5% vinegar. If you have 9% vinegar, then add 50 milliliters. Turn on the stove and wait for the marinade to boil. I took the boiling marinade off the stove. Pour hot marinade into jars. 1 liter of marinade is enough for 2 700 milliliter jars. If you run out or need more, make another batch of marinade. Cover with sterilized lid. Be careful as the lid and jar are very hot. Store in a cool, dark place until ready to use. Best kept in a cellar or dry cupboard. Can last for over a year. Please write me in the comments if you like this recipe. You can also preserve tomatoes in the following simple ways. The video ends here. If you have any comments, please leave a comment below. If you find the video interesting, please click like. Don't forget to share it with your relatives and friends. I would be very happy if you turn on the notification bell. Remember to subscribe to the channel to support. Thank you for watching. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.